Make Bindu Dhyan a way of life for your employees. That's for the benefit of your organization. Employees look for the greater returns of their investment. Say a company invested $1 billion and it wants genuine return of at least 10 to 20%, right? And annual growth of that company to be around 10% minimum. So that is good for the employees as well in terms of securing their jobs, securing their salaries, increments, and so many. And employees can be happy and lead life, peaceful life, happy life, right? And for employees to focus in the task and the job, whatever that's given to them, they should be well physically and psychologically. Well-being of physical and psychological is required. If one is sick, one is having tensions, one is having personal problems, health issues, he will not be able to contribute to the company's growth. He will be there physically at the workplace, but his commitment, his output, productivity will not be the same, right? There is nothing wrong in company expecting 100% of what it's paying you, right? And there are programs to identify, to motivate the people, but a person will not come out on his own. What's there in his mind, right? So if someone is watching you, someone is trying to get the information from you, then definitely that person will not give the realistic picture. If the person is genuinely interested, there will be very few people who will be interested in the welfare of the company. Those people definitely will do their best for the company, for the benefit of the company. And coming to the rest of the employees, the majority of the employees, they need continuous motivation to do their job for the pay what they are receiving. That motivation should be helpful in keeping their physical fitness and psychological well-being as well, right? There are some programs which are organized in a conference hall where everybody sits while the speaker is delivering the message. So the participants, some participants may listen to that attentively, but rest of them may go into the sleep. If company mandates their attendance, they may attend, but their presence, the physical presence is there, but their psychological presence is not there. They'll be roaming around somewhere, right? If you make a program, you devise a program such a way that it's beneficial to them, definitely they will be showing interest in attending that program. So coming to the Bindu Dhyan, it is for the personal growth, well-being of physical and mental both. And if employee is well, then that's beneficial to the company. This is a quick meditation. So this will inculcate the morals, ethics, and the integrity in the employee. Company trusts its employees, right, to do the respective job. And company cannot come, the organization cannot come and see what you are doing. It's up to your willingness, your proactivity, your responsibility to deliver what is expected of you, right? If the facts and figures are falsely projected, if the performance is wrongly represented, then that's not going to help the company any way for the bottom line, right? So company conducts morals, ethics, integrity programs, right? Coming to the Bindu Dhyan, I'm going to give a quick brief here, and you watch our videos, so that's going to help you a lot in giving a lot of insight into what you need to do and how you can improve your personality, be best of yourself, right? Bye for now.